Guys, and today we are playing Animal Hospital. As you can see, I already started. And ew, what is this? You clean this fast. Okay, we need to go treating our patients. First time I played Animal Hospital. No, it wasn't actually the first time, but I think it was the second time. Second time I played Animal Hospital, I entered the room recklessly. And I got caught by the thing under the bed. I struggled, so yeah. So almost died, and from there I always made sure to check if it's under, so I can do this, like I cannot get eaten. Yes, that's the word. As you can see, someone was cracking my door. I'm opening new facilities. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Supply shop is open. Really don't like the music. As you can see, I'm doing good. Oh, I am best. What's up? I am Kenshi Kim Wakami. I am here for my appointment. Okay. Okay, I don't need to inspect this. As long as I can. Wait. Okay guys, I'll make a part 2 later. I'm sorry I had to end the video so fast, but I really need to eat right now. Bye bye.